Hello everyone, welcome to my Big Fat Tummy with me Joyshri. Kolkata fish fry is traditionally made with bhetki. So today's recipe is about bhetki macher fish fry. For making the delicious fish fry, I have taken 500 gram of fish fillets. You need to cut this in these sizes. For marination, firstly adding salt about 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 small sized lemon which I have taken half portion. Mix these ingredients with the fish fillets properly and keep this in rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, making the paste for the second round of our marination. For this, taking a jar and into this adding about 1 handful of pudina pata and 1 handful of coriander leaves or dhania patta, 5 green chilies. Add this as per your requirement. After that, adding some chopped ginger and 10 to 12 garlic cloves. And here I have taken 2 medium-sized onion which I have just cut into 2 equal halves. Adding this and let's make a thick paste out of it. Came back after 15 minutes. Now adding this paste into the fish fillets. Now again marinate this for another 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you need to mix again. Here I have arranged homemade breadcrumbs. If you want to know the procedure, please let me know in the comment section below. I will show you a video on this. First of all, taking a fish fillet, drain the excess liquid and then put this over the breadcrumbs and give a single coat. You need to give a small pressure so that the breadcrumbs stick to the fillet. Now we need to dip the coated fish fillet into the whisked corn flour, where I have used half cup of water and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Just lightly dip the fillet and drain the excess water. Then again coat this with breadcrumbs. Repeat the steps again. That means each fish fillet need to be coated twice with corn flour wash and breadcrumbs. Do the coating of the fish fillets for one at a time. While coating with breadcrumbs, use your fingers to give a neat shape to every fish fillet. So here goes the first one. Keeping this aside, and I'm showing you the second one. Fish fry is a popular snack from streets of Kolkata. We have unadulterated love for our Kolkata style fish fry. That's pretty much everything that I have for this particular Kolkata fish fry video. Other than to wish you well and to put you to your My Big Fat Tummy, who is always available to you to answer any question that you have related to the recipe via comment. Now I'm giving a good shape with the help of the icing spatula. If you don't have this, you can either use scrapers or the sharpless end of a knife. This will allow you to make a good fish fry shape, which we actually see. Allow the breadcrumb coated fish pieces rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes before frying. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. Start frying the coated fish fillets over medium heat. Please make sure don't fry this under high flame. Better to keep the flame under low. Fry them until nicely browned from all the sides. If you are enjoying my recipe work, please show a thumbs up and share your experience with me. If you are loving my work, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, if you want these recipes on weekly basis, then press the bell icon so that every time you get a notification whenever I upload a new recipe for you. Both the side of my fish fry are nicely browned. Let's remove from the pan and serve hot. Serving our beloved fish fry immediately with some cucumber and onion. If you love tomato ketchup, you can definitely have this with that one. But we Bengalis often love mustard sauce or kasundi to have this kind of good food. So there you go. Breadcrumb coated raw fish can be stored in freezer in airtight container. Just prepare everything as explained except last frying step. Wrap the cutlets in a Ziploc bag to store in freezer. Once ready to eat, heat oil and remove the frozen cutlets from the freezer and add directly to the hot oil. So lovelies, today is this much. I wish you well, good luck, and will come soon with another exciting recipe. Take care.